Hey everyone, I'm Jim, and we're cooking banquet, backyard, barbecue, meal, TV dinner meal, food meal. Check this out. Oh. Alright. Oh my. So what we gotta do is slit film to vents over the whole thing.
I think you do one slit here and one slit here.
We can do more than one slit. 2 minutes in the microwave. Secret video sponsor. This video is sponsored by Twinkies. You want to get fat? Me too. Twinkies, they're pretty good for me and for you. The video is not in any way affiliated with Twinkies. I have to say that or I get in big trouble. While this is cooking, let's read the back of this box. Made with real cheese. For over 60 years, Banquet has been making delicious meals the whole family loves, so it's no surprise that these casual meals are perfect for anyone to enjoy at any time. You can try our rib-style patties smothered in mesquite barbecue sauce and served with the creamy mac and cheese. I think I'm just gonna partake of the fruit, if you get what I mean. Okay, then we gotta stir the mac and cheese. Ah, whoa.
Can I leave now?
No. I would consider that sufficiently stirred. I'll be back for you later. Okay, so now that that's done, you gotta replace the film. Cameraman, you looking at that? You getting this, cameraman?
Mm-hmm. We're gonna cook it again.
Yeah, for two more minutes.
Oh, wow.
2 minutes and 15 seconds, actually. 4:15. It's time for you to get a watch.
Okay.
So, while we're waiting, let's take a fan letter from a fan that wrote me a letter. Dear guy who makes YouTube, you are dumb. Heartfelt letter from Joey, age 7. Good job, your handwriting looks like typing is how beautiful it made me feel to look at, and amazing.
What type of font?
Wingdings. It was amazing. It made me feel like, dear Farmer Jimmy, I'm not a farmer, but I'll take that compliment. You're a dummy, and you smell. How would you know what I smell like? I am only in YouTube videos. You remind me of Harry Joe. Who is Harry Joe? Wow. Oh, I put it in for... It's done at this point. No, it's not. No, it's not.
You put it in for 2 minutes.
I put it in for 4 minutes. Don't fret. Don't fret, little friend, if you're cooking. If you're cooking your meal with me, don't worry. Don't worry. This is a cook-along show. This is a cook-along show. You just do it. If you mess up, you don't mess up. There are no mistakes in art. Happy accidents in art. Beautiful. Bob Ross applies to cooking. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that baby's doner than a done test. Every chef uses his good equipment, and I use my good equipment. Make sure I don't go, ow, burn myself. Ow, I burn myself. Oh, doesn't that look and smell great? Okay, Oh, beautiful. Okay, you've just made your TV dinner. Life couldn't be better, right? Right, TV dinners are great, but you need a fork. You need a fork. This is a fork. Pots, pans, and a whole hot Dan. Dan is hot. He's a very attractive man. He has muscles bigger than China. All right, who's ready for Farmer Jim Boy to try his meal cooked by his chickens? You know, for TV dinners, that's not that bad. All right.
Friday or something.
Let's try some of this mesquite sauce.
Mosquito.
That's really not bad.
It smells that bad. Barbecue.
All right.
You want me to get you a knife?
No, it's fine. Thank you, though.
People are waiting for me. I'm babysitting someone.
In Roblox.
Yeah.
Diet Cola named Coca. Dr. Coca-Cola, maybe you've heard of him. So my rating for the backyard BBQ meal is going to be a solid 4 out of 5. It could be better. It could have potatoes. It could have corn. I
would
could
like
the
it if
the
it had-
portions could be a little bit bigger.
I think that's a lot.
Now here's what you do if you're a real TV dinner night.
You put the mac and
you
cheese.
take a mac, you put it into over the lips, through the gums, down the hatch. Here we go. It's awful. Put the mac and the cheese in the skeet because you won't be eating that meat. It's not meat, it's mesquite. It's a mistake to put the cheese in the mesquite and then you'll be wanted dead. 4 out of 5.